Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to check if your Motorola Edge 60 Fusion supports eSIM using the IMEI.info page. Alright, so let's begin. So in here, in this bar, we need to type our IMEI number. If you don't know how to check your IMEI number, on our channel there's a video when I'm describing and showing the all possible checking options on that page, and also in that video I'm showing you how to check the IMEI number on this Motorola. Okay, now once you have typed your IMEI number, click on this blue button, check IMEI. Alright, now as you can see we have our phone, but we need to scroll down a little bit until we find the basic checks free. And as you can see, the second option from the top is the eSIM compatibility check. So we need to click on that. Now click on the check eSIM compatibility. And in here, as you can see, we have confirmation that this device supports eSIM. Below we also have the information about the brand, the model, our IMEI number, is it compatible with the eSIM, number of SIM cards, as you can see we have 2 slots, the date on which the report was created at, and below also we can perform the blacklist premium check. And if you click on this blue button, you can check eSIM compatibility for other IMEIs. Okay, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.